Hey, hi. I don't know if someone is having an issue like me with ChatGPT. Sometimes, if you're working on an article, and for example, I've been working on an article like this, and during the article creation, sometimes you want to ChatGPT maybe to elaborate on something, maybe to summarize on something. Since you're working on this article, you assume like ChatGPT will just flow with the flow. I think you understand what I'm meaning. Like that is actually how it has been working, and actually that's how it works. So recently, I've have issues with it. That sometimes when you tell it to kind of maybe elaborate on a point A or B or something, it kind of brings a very old article maybe I created like 2 days ago or yesterday. It doesn't recognize this article above. I think that's the best way I can try to say this. Okay. So, for example, this is just about like how to fix CS sports, courage, football, 26, something like that. And in this article, you realize, for example, I wanted it to elaborate on maybe point 7 and something. So I told it like, okay, let me first try to, okay, yeah, I think it's here. So I told it like, okay, start by doing an intro, then elaborate on details, fix 1 and fix 7. Okay, there are kind of points on fix 1 and fix 7. And so what it did is actually it recreated the article, but it kind of picked up an article which is like I think 3 days ago, I think 2 days ago, somewhere actually I think in my history. So it kind of actually doesn't remember the the article above the current article I'm working on. So I don't know if someone is experiencing this thing, and how to fix it. I usually do two things. First of all, I just have to actually log out of this. I kind of log out and I close the tab, then I open in a new tab. I open ChatGPT afresh. I usually have to really log out because even if I just open in a new tab, sometimes it kind of gets stuck. Okay, it still doesn't remember my my current article I'm working on. So usually I just have to sign out, log out, then I log in by in a new tab. Now, option number 2 is I use actually Mozilla. For some reason, my Mozilla doesn't actually have an issue like that. I don't know why, but I'm having an issue using ChatGPT on Chrome. I don't know, maybe this one maybe works for me only, but that one sometimes if I'm using Mozilla, I don't have a problem like ChatGPT forgetting the article that I'm working on. I don't know if it's this can really work for someone, but I'm mainly seeing that problem when I'm using Chrome. Okay, for some reason in Mozilla it kind of it's fine. Now for me, I usually use two browsers, ChatGPT on Mozilla and also ChatGPT on Chrome. I usually use it for two projects. I usually don't want to mix them, so that's why I'm saying like the Mozilla, if I'm using Mozilla, I usually don't have a problem with that. But Chrome, I'm having a problem with that. So that's how you can fix it. You can try to sign out. You can try to log out. Close the browser if it's possible. Open the browser again in a new tab, then open ChatGPT. That usually actually fixes my problem. And it kind of returns after some days. Okay, for some reason, I don't know, maybe it's a glitch, but currently that's the situation that I'm having. Okay, hope this will help you to fix yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I usually do videos like about AI and also how to make money online, stuff like that. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.